Oh, you don't have any water yet?
No, I mean I drink.
Oh,
I
drink.
drink
Oh, I was gonna
water,
say
so I don't have any water to deal with my hiccups.
Yeah, you can get some more water. Oh God, I know. Does holding your breath help you? No.
Not really. Are you gonna get a dessert?
Oh, you want it? You want something?
Oh heck no! I ate so much bread.
I'm pretty full too. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'll just get my hot water and lemon and call it a meal. And then
No coffee or
not eat
anything?
tomorrow. Nah, I'm good. I'm good there. I had it. Coffee. I was waiting for you when I was at the Wawa.